What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm back out in the garage doing just a little bit of maintenance pre-trip, and I'm getting a new tire pretty soon. And I wanted to kind of explain the differences between my stock Dunlop D407 and the American Elite Dunlop that I replaced it with. But first, I'm going to throw the intro up because I haven't ran that in a while. Okay, now that that's out of the way, I wanted to show you how many miles I got on my original Dunlop D407 tire. So as you can see, I got just under 16,000 miles, which I was really happy with 16,000 miles. I thought that was pretty good. There's a lot of straight roads in Nebraska where we ride, so the center of it was completely worn out. It wasn't all the way down to the cords, but it was really close. So when I replaced it, I had my independent do it. He's a local guy, really good dude, so I thought I'll give him the business. The tire was a little cheaper than getting it at the dealer, but it wasn't the stock Dunlop tire. Some of you may know this, Dunlop makes an American Elite tire, which is a direct replacement for Harley Davidson tires. It's basically the same tire, only it has a different tread pattern. Both tires, the D407 and the American Elite, have a multi-tread compound. So the center of it is a little harder, I guess, and wears a lot better for straight roads. And then the sides of the tire are a little softer, so when you're going around corners and stuff, it's a little more grippy. I kind of need that here in Nebraska because there's not a whole lot of curves. So most of our riding is straight roads. So I need that tough center of a tire to last a while, you know? So after getting 16,000 miles on my original Dunlop, I put this American Elite on. Like I said, the only difference is tread pattern, and it doesn't have the Harley Davidson name on the side of the tire. Some of you may be picky about that. I wasn't. The cost was worth it to me to get the American Elite, but here's where it gets interesting. As you can see here, I've got 33,556 miles. So that's roughly 17,000 miles on this replacement tire. Now, with that being said, I mentioned my stock tire was completely bare bones bald. Let me show you the American Elite after 1,000 miles more than the original Dunlop. It still has tread. It's getting really low. There's still about 2/30 seconds between the tread and the wear bar. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but it's there. So theoretically, I could get more miles out of this American Elite tire. I bet I can get at least 20,000 out of this tire. I'm not going to push it that far because we have a couple trips coming up, and I wanted to make sure if we get stuck in the rain, I don't have to worry about. That's just one less thing I have to worry about is my tire giving out or hitting a nail with thin rubber. You know how it is. But I know there's some debate online about which one's better or worse or whatever. I just wanted to share my experience with you guys real quick. I know this was kind of a short video, but if you're looking into tires and you're kind of set on Dunlops, check out the American Elite. This is not a sponsored video. I just wanted to share my experience. I know there's other tire manufacturers out there. Maybe next time I will try one of those. I was kind of in a crunch. We're leaving in 4 days, and luckily my independent can get me in and get a tire put on this bike in a very short notice, so shout out to him. Anyway, I hope you got some use out of this video. I hope it helped you if you're looking for tires. If you're looking to check out more Harley Davidson / motorcycle content here on YouTube, hit the subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. Check out some of my other videos if you're into it, and I'll see you next time.